Police in East Hartford, Connecticut say they're investigating after a baby was found dead in a trash can. Police found the baby after a doctor reported examining an 18-year-old woman who had no baby but who showed signs of giving birth.
Connecticut authorities are investigating after a dead baby was found in a trash can in East Hartford. Police say a doctor called on Tuesday night to report that he'd examined an 18-year-old woman who'd showed signs of giving birth but had no baby.
After that notification, our officers did a check welfare at the 18-year-old's residence.
There were probably maybe 5-6 squad cars, and then an investigative truck and caution tape all over the place.
Police say the baby's body was in the trash can just outside the home.
That's sick. Yeah, it's an unfortunate situation.
Police have not released other details, including whether anyone was arrested or how old the baby was. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.